welcome back to the channel. And on today's video I'm going to go for a spin out by Fate Lake. I've seen some old ruins. I don't know if it's a castle, if it's a church, something like that. I hope it's not a church. I've been at so many churches. Let's go and see what's out in Fate Lake. Just past here, just before the arch actually, here. So it's a bit of a dodge, you want to go around. But let's have a look. Ooh. Ah, interesting. I'm going to go up the way and come back. Oh, nice. Come back until we get a bit of parking anyway, so we'll be back in a second. But should be safe enough here. I don't know how much you can see or where you get into it. So we have the river here. Not sure if you can cross it that way. Not sure how you get to it. Oh, might be that way. I have to walk up this way. See a gap there? No. I say maybe in here. Let's have a look. Long walk over. Get an old stick to help you along the way. Let's have a look. Pretty big. And then there's just a random massive tree growing out of the side of it. That tree has to be 100 years old as well. Crazy. Like, how is that used? The arch is so low. Like a hideaway or something like that. The arch down there. That's a mystery. And there's arches over there as well. So what is the history of this place? Motorcycle trips, huh? Bring it to the weird and the wonderful. So there's definitely a roof there, and a steel as well. You can see all the way up there, over there. This is the biggest part of it. How high it goes. I found a cool area down here. Come with me in this way. So let's drop the GoPro down and see what's in under the archway. Something a bit different. Like, I love finding a place like this because I've never seen it before. I wonder what the history of it is. I'll have a look online again, see can I find any history, but I don't even know where to start. Fate Lake or whatever, I don't know. But it's a substantial building, like, because all of this here, you know, so there has to be a history to it. It can't be just built and not used. So that's it for today's video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below as well, and Actually, drop a comment as well if you like the video or any of the other videos that you watch. Drop a comment in them. I've on over 100 plus videos on the channel now, so plenty to watch and plenty to enjoy. And like I said, I'm always trying to improve things, so I try to be on more this side of the camera as well. So until next time, Deise Rebel out.